I want to see if I can combine leatherworking and my LaserPecker again and come up with a little key fob. So let's figure this out. Well, you may not be able to tell, but the wind's blowing again today. Imagine that. The amount of wind we've had this year is just... it's crazy. I don't have any coffee. So I'm going to fall asleep halfway through this video, just to let you know. Anyway, I've got this, this 24 hours of lemons thing coming up. And I am like newbie... low man on the totem pole. I don't have safety gear. Basically, I guess I run and get sandwiches, or I don't know what I'm gonna do. I met the guys. The guys are great. We went to a guy's house. We worked on the car. I saw the car. Anyway, I'm looking forward to it. So what I want to do is I want to make everybody a little token for the race. Now, I could go online and have something made and delivered, and I don't want to do that. What I want to do is I want to make, because it's a car race, I'm thinking key fob. Nothing fancy, just stuff I got out of my leather box here. And I've got two different designs. Now this is, I don't know if you'll be able to see this or not. This is one of them. Okay, and it's just a keychain with a little clippy thing on the end of it. And I got the design from Cave Leather. If I remember, I'll put it down in the description. If I don't, well, watch the video again. And they had two types. They've got this type, okay? And then I don't have the fancy photo for this one. But this is just like a little fold over one. So the first one here has a ring and a clip, and this is just literally a fold over thing. And you got to stitch them up, stitch them. This one has a rivet or a snap or something in the middle. I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is I want to stitch the sides because I want to put a logo down the middle. Do I know what the logo is going to be? No, haven't got a clue. But there's three things I want to try to include. One, the year. That way they know it was this race. The next thing is the 24 hours of lemons logo. I don't have a license. I'm not asking for permission, but I'm also not trying to sell this stuff. Put that on there. And then the car is a 280ZX. I forget the year, but it's brown. So what I want to do is I want to try to get those three things on there somehow. So anyway, I will do my best. With all that being said, I've not done this before, so let's figure this out. go. Couple quick keychains. Say that 3 times at the end of the day. They're not perfect. These are the very first ones. I wanted to learn the process. I did leather work. I had my LaserPecker out and did some laser engraving. One of them, it was too hot, so I learned the settings. I wrote it all down. So I got to make about a dozen of these, and I'll be giving them away to the team at the 24 hours of lemons race at High Plains Raceway out here. Anyway, like I said, these 2 aren't perfect. The next will be better, but I did make progress. Thanks for watching.